Hey, what's up everybody? Now here's a voice from the past. Some of you may remember that I'm a Note fan through and through, but if anything can bring me back, it's this combination. Enan here from Udroid Mania, and you're watching my Whitestone Dome install on the Galaxy Note 10, so let's do this. Now first things first, we gotta prep the phone, and I need to thank Whitestone for sending this one out, thank you. Now we'll go ahead and get started by powering off the phone. And yup, I already got rid of Bixby. I had to do it. There's a ton of stuff inside the box, except for my 10,000 hour milliamp battery pack, but don't let that intimidate you. Okay, so this is a 7-step process, and the first step is to use one of the alcohol pads provided to clean your phone. And I don't mean just wipe it down, I mean clean the phone. And make sure you take your time here, that's just a word of advice. And be sure to dry the phone using the microfiber cloth. With this out of the way, now you're ready to insert your phone into the tray. And when it's used correctly, it doesn't get any easier than this. Next, use the speaker tab provided to cover the speaker. Trust me, you don't want this liquid getting in there. I'm speaking from experience on this one. Now it's time to remove the adhesive bottles, and then take this pull tab here, insert it into the top, and you're ready to move on to the next step. It's very important to check your display for lint and dust particles. If you see any, then get them off. At this point, we can go ahead and place the adhesive bridge. Now you can take one of the bottles of adhesive. There's two in case you make a mistake. In this step, it is important to start with the blue top first, so make sure that you go in this order, blue and then black. Now screw the bottle into the bridge. After all the adhesive liquid drains, you can go ahead and remove the bottle and the bridge. If your working surface is level, you'll be left with a nice round circle on the top 1/3 of your display, like you see here. Next, take the dome protector, place it into the tray, press down to get the liquid to flow. As soon as it touches the glass, make sure that you pull the tab. This will release the protector and start the adhesion process. Then I like to rock the tray to get it all the way to the bottom. Next, we're going to take the dome light and use that to cure the protector. Now Whitestone only recommends 15 seconds both on the top and bottom, but I let it go until the light goes off because I just want to make sure it's on there. Now, you can go ahead and remove your phone from the tray. So set the dome to the side, go ahead and take off the top tray. Make sure that at this point you pull off the speaker tab and use the alcohol pad to clean off any excess liquid. And in step number 7, use the dome light to cure the bottom, middle, and top of your phone for 60 seconds. That's it. Go ahead and power back on your phone and enjoy your new setup. Okay, so there you guys have it. Let me just say it's good to be back and that you'll need to re-add your fingerprints. Even with this little caveat, I still think that this is the best protector for Galaxy devices and continue to recommend it. I've got a link down below if you're interested, so go and check them out. I know it's been a while, but if you've enjoyed this video, do leave a big thumbs up. And as always, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one.